Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to change the background color based on cell value in Excel. This is the data we have: student name followed by three subjects, science, maths and English, and their respective marks. Let us select the data. Let us select the data range. Go to home menu, conditional formatting, new rule, and then select the option format only cells that contain, and then we need to specify the range as 50 to 30, and then select the format, fill with red color, and then click on OK. And if you click on OK, the data between the range 30 to 50 will be selected here. This is how we will be changing the background color based on the cell value. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates, tips and tricks on Excel.